And here beside us we have 3 shears from an 8-ton machine, and we've also a bigger one right up to a 20-ton machine. This will cut about 8 inches, the next one up will cut about 13 inches, and the next one up will cut about 16 to 17 inches. So these 3 shears are Irish made. You can have them rotating or non-rotator. It'll rotate 360 degrees both ways. It's a double-sided shear, so it closes in from both sides, and it's also a removable blade. Now, this is the same from an 8-ton machine right up to a 20-ton machine. So you can use it to remove the blade, and you can use it as a grapple. The tree shear is made up of STRENX and HARDOX steel. The shears come ready to go straight onto your digger. Your headstock is supplied to fit your machine, and also pipes and fittings. There's a saw cassette attached to the bottom of the shears. This can be retrofitted later if required, as well as the rotator can also be retrofitted later to any shears. If you want to give us a call on any of the shears attached in the video, 087 649 5305 or 049 8544 353.